So after nilabas ni Realme C55, this time around, binabaan nila yung number. So this is the C53. So ang phone na ito is more focused sa kanyang fast charging. So malalaman natin a little bit later ang ating unboxing first, then of course some first quick impression on this phone. Simulan naman natin. Hi guys, ako si Richard ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel, realme C53. Some quick specs na pwede ko i-share sa inyo. So 33 watts na SuperVOOC charge, meron siya 50MP na AI camera, so medyo slim siya at 7.49mm. Then meron siyang malaking battery, 5,000 mAh. Then meron din siyang 6.74-inch na display as well as 90Hz screen refresh rate. Then meron siyang octa-core na chipset. Malalaman natin kung ano ang bang chipset yan. So ang color natin dito is color black. So buksan natin. Yun. Dare to lead. SIM ejector tool. Uy, meron siyang case. And meron siyang user manual dito sa loob. And a smoke black na jelly case. So with this alone, alam natin medyo squarish ang kanyang camera bump. Mukhang iPhone. Ang ganda kanyang likod, matte black. Mukhang iPhone kanyang camera module, like I said. Siyempre, nandiyan ang kanyang charging cable. And of course, as promised, 33 watts na SuperVOOC charger. So boot up muna natin. So, kapitin natin yung kanyang jelly case. Let's see kung ano itsura niya. Looks nice. Bagay. So, after natin mag-setup, ganito ang makita mo sa home screen. And kita natin na this one is a teardrop notch. And kanyang baba is medyo makapal pa. So, bigyan ko muna kayo ng quick phone tour. Sa ilalim, nandiyan ang kanyang audio jack, microphone in, Type-C port, loudspeaker. And on the right side, nandiyan ang kanyang fingerprint scanner / power button, and of course, ang kanyang volume rocker. Then, sa ibabaw, it's pretty clean. The other side, nandiyan ang kanyang SIM tray. Sundutin natin. And we can see it's a triple card slot, isang micro SD card, and dalawang nano SIM na 4G. And sa likod kita natin, nandiyan ang kanyang 50MP na main camera sensor, and the other one probably is a depth sensor. This one is a LED flash. And sa harap niya is a 8MP na front-facing camera. So checking some display setting, it's very easy to turn on dark theme. Then pwede mo rin turn on ang night light kung gusto mo. Pwede mo rin calibrate ang kanyang color temperature. Mas gusto ko ilagay siya sa vivid, pero pwede mo rin ilagay sa gentle kung gusto ninyo. Then pwede ka rin pumili ng standard, warm, or cool. I'll put it to standard. Even though for a budget phone like the C53, meron siyang video display enhancement which gives you a better experience when watching videos on YouTube. And if you're having a video conferencing sa Google Meet, mas ma-enhance ang iyong experience pag itinurn on nyo ito. So sa refresh rate, wala ka ibang choice kundi auto or 60. Wala siyang set to 90. So mapo-force ka to use the auto mode. So ang processor nito is a Unisoc Tiger na T612. And well, honestly, okay naman siya. Wala ko na-feel na problem upon unboxing it. Smooth naman ang kanyang transition dahil meron siya 90Hz screen refresh rate. Ang kanyang display is a 6.74-inch na IPS LCD. By the way guys, ang maximum brightness nito is at 500 nits. So I think medyo mahirapan ka ng kunti when you're under the bright sunlight. Checking a quick shot naman dito sa kanyang camera. Well, okay naman. Decent ang kanyang shot na nakuha ko dito. And pwede mo rin lagyan ng watermarks. Except, hindi ka pwede mag-customize. Pagdating naman sa video, don't expect too much. This one can only record up to 1080p and 30fps sa likod. And 720p and 30fps naman sa harap. So if you're browsing on TikTok, okay naman. Very smooth naman ang kanyang transition. Wala akong naging problem dito dahil mataas naman kanyang refresh rate. Now guys, I have given you yung aking first quick impression dito sa phone na ito. And if you want to know more about this phone, do stay tuned sa aking full review nitong realme C53 pretty soon. And of course guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel para ma-notify kayo sa aking mga new releases na video. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.